Here is a special weather statement for the following areas in Connecticut. The National Weather Service in Upton, New York has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southern Fairfield County, Hudson County in northeastern New Jersey, eastern Passaic County in northeastern New Jersey, northwestern Union County in northeastern New Jersey, Bergen County in northeastern New Jersey, Essex County in northeastern New Jersey, southern Westchester County in southeastern New York, Bronx County in southeastern New York, Rockland County in southeastern New York, Manhattan in southeastern New York, until 8:45 p.m. At 7:39 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from Paterson to near Caldwell to near East Hanover, moving northeast at 25 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, minor hail damage to vehicles is possible. Expect wind damage to trees and power lines. Severe thunderstorms will be near Paterson and Wayne around 7:45 p.m. Paramus and Ridgewood around 7:55 p.m. Kearney and Oracle around 8 p.m. Passaic and Lyndhurst around 8:05 p.m. Union City around 8:10 p.m. Bergenfield and Ridgefield around 8:15 p.m. Hackensack and Orangeburg around 8:20 p.m. Dobbs Ferry and Nyack around 8:25 p.m. Mott Haven and Tarrytown around 8:30 p.m. East Tremont and Riverdale around 8:35 p.m. Hawthorne around 8:40 p.m. Yonkers and New Rochelle around 8:45 p.m. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. The National Weather Service in Albany has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southern Litchfield County until 8:45 p.m. At 7:41 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Litchfield, or 7 miles southwest of Torrington, moving east at 35 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Torrington, New Milford, Thomaston, Litchfield, Northwest Irwinton, Oakville, New Preston, Terryville, Woodbury Center, New Hartford Center, Watertown, Plymouth, Woodbury, Harwinton, Bethlehem, Washington, Goshen, Morris, Roxbury, and Bridgewater. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. The National Weather Service in Upton, New York has issued a special marine warning for Long Island Sound west of New Haven, Connecticut, Port Jefferson, New York Harbor, until 8:45 p.m. At 7:42 p.m., strong thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 17 nautical miles north of Captain Harbor to 11 nautical miles west of Eastchester Bay to 11 nautical miles north of South Amboy, moving east at 25 knots. Hazard, wind gusts 40 knots or greater and small hail. Source, Little Neck Bay and Saddle Rock around 8:15 p.m. Execution Rocks, Upper New York Harbor, Manhasset Bay and Mamaroneck Harbor around 8:20 p.m. Hempstead Harbor and Captain Harbor around 8:25 p.m. Stamford Harbor around 8:35 p.m. Oyster Bay Harbor and Penfield Reef around 8:40 p.m. Cold Spring Harbor, Oyster Bay, mouth of the Housatonic River and Huntington Bay around 8:45 p.m. Move to safe harbor until hazardous weather passes. Here is a special weather statement for the following areas in Connecticut: Northern Witch Radio, broadcast radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. The National Weather Service in Boston Norton has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northern Windham County, northern Tolland County, northeastern Hartford County, southwestern Worcester County in central Massachusetts, southeastern Hampshire County in western Massachusetts, southeastern Franklin County in western Massachusetts, southeastern Hampton County in western Massachusetts, until 9 p.m. At 8 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Belchertown to Enfield, moving east at 30 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect wind damage to trees and power lines. Minor hail damage to vehicles is possible. Locations impacted include Worcester, Springfield, Chicopee, Enfield, Shrewsbury, Agawam, Ludlow, Grafton, Holden, Webster, Southbridge, Auburn, Longmeadow, Suffield, East Longmeadow, Belchertown, Wilbraham, Oxford, Millbury, and Charlton. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. A severe thunderstorm warning remains in effect until 8:45 p.m. for southern Litchfield.